everybody, I'm Marie here, and I am here with a late night video. Y'all, I just got out the bathtub and I was like, you know what? Sharing is caring. And I think that I need to share with my peoples, y'all, okay, how to make some money. Now, a lot of people like to keep their secrets on how they make extra money, but I want to show you how to make money straight. Don't mind my phone because it's cracked. Ew. Okay, don't mind my phone because it's cracked. I want to show y'all how y'all can make some money from home using your phone. All right, I was about to say mobile device, but I feel like that's hefty. Using your phone. So if you're interested in this video, please keep watching. All right, y'all, so I know a lot of times we don't stop and think how certain companies, like, you know, okay, common sense isn't common, okay, whatever, but a lot of times we don't think about how we can make money from home, and we just go to these jobs all the time and we clock in and we clock out, and we don't think how we can use stuff right in our own home to make money. Now, they always say one man's trash is another man's treasure. So, literally, what was I doing? I was literally, I want to say I was cleaning out my clothes like I always do every now and then. I'm cleaning out my clothes, and I was just like, you know, I got a bag of stuff. And my mom was out here, and she's basically like, oh, this is some nice stuff, this is some nice stuff. I was like, yeah, I was like, but, you know, it's just really ain't my style no more. I want to get rid of it. So she was like, I was like, I want to get rid of it. So I had it all bagged up. And I was like, you know what? I had already started buying inventory that I was trying to sell, right? And so I was like, you know what? Well, why don't I use some of these clothes that I'm about to donate and try to sell them? Now, I know the concept may seem like duh when you hear it, but a lot of people don't do it. A lot of people are giving away really nice things while other people make a profit. For example, the biggest one of all, okay, Goodwill, okay? Goodwill's annual revenue is billions of dollars. This is something you can Google. Billions of dollars, okay? Now, I don't know why they aren't showing the most up-to-date. People are probably pissed as hell, but let's say they do about 5.7. They in about the 5 to 6 range. They do about $5.7 billion a year. Now, most things that are given to Goodwill, I know I donate to Goodwill all the time, or Salvation Army, and they take these items and they resell them, right? So you have, you know, something for free, okay? Whether they sell it for $3 or $50, it's a profit. Why? Because they got it for free. Now, I know a lot of people, like I said, it may seem like a duh situation, but it's really not duh, because like I said, literally I gave away a couch because it was sitting in my home, and Salvation Army, actually, they do free pickup. So I'm like, dude, I'm tired of looking at this couch. Nobody is buying it fast enough. People don't have trucks to come pick it up. I need to get rid of this couch. So I started calling around, and they picked up the couch and they sold it. So I remember I was in Salvation Army the other day, and I seen a really nice set in there. I mean, and they're charging $500-$600 when it was probably donated, right? So anyway, let's get back on track. So I really want to make this video short, sweet, and simple as much as possible. I don't want to be too long. But so also, okay, so like I said, my wheels are turning. And I'm like, you know what? Okay, let me put my items on Poshmark. Now, a lot of people may not know about Poshmark. A lot of people may have heard about Poshmark and do not use it. This video is totally not advertised, okay? But I'm literally trying to teach you guys how you can make money from your house. And it could be a little effort or it could be a lot of effort. And I'm really just trying to hopefully encourage someone to make some money. I'm trying to encourage someone to be self-sufficient and literally let's get it, because I'm always trying to figure out ways to make money. So basically, okay, so you download the app, right? And I'm not going to get too detailed, but if you guys are actually really interested in this, I can upload a whole separate video on tips and tricks on how I made money on Poshmark, how I'm still making money on Poshmark, and other apps where I'm also making money and selling stuff. So let's just start here. I haven't been on here very long, but I've made, you know, a few $100s, and this is my store now. Boom. Make sure you guys go ahead and follow my store. It's called the Black Swan Exchange. I put the title here on Instagram, and on Poshmark is Black Swan EXCH. Okay, but anyway, and I'll also put that below. So I sell, and I don't know how people be doing their whole screen sharing. And this is the thing about me. Okay, number one, okay, sorry you guys, my phone is cracked. Number two, people always laugh at me because my phone is always like, camera's like hella foggy and everything from makeup. And let's just talk about like this face really quick, because like literally I just got out the bathtub. Y'all, I got a personal trainer and she's whooping my ass, but that's a whole nother story. But I just soaked in the bathtub, and I was like, I need to keep on this face real quick so I can show some people how to make some money. So anyway, so you guys, this is my store. Okay, as you see, I have several things on here. If you're actually really interested, like I said, follow me on Instagram. Click the link in bio. I also link it below. So I'm going to show you guys where the money is, right? Because that's what you're interested in. Okay, so you're at your kind of like back end area, and my balance right now, I'm going to show you guys my balance. Okay, like I said, I took some money out of here because, you know, sometimes we got things to do, but here is some money over here. Now that's not a whole lot of money, right? I mean, I had more money here, I took it out. But, you know, some people might be like, a few $100s, you know. But I told myself that I want to keep my money in here from now on and just let it build. Because Poshmark, whether you guys know or not, it has millionaires, right? Okay? So, it is, and it's definitely making thousandaires, okay? If that's a thing. So, literally, you guys, now I'm just going to let my money build and sit in here. But, yeah, you might be like, okay, it's just a few $100s. So what? But it's a few $100s that I made from my house. It's a few $100s that I made with stuff that I was going to give away anyway. You get where I'm going with this? So, if you guys are interested in learning more on how to make some money from your trash and making it a treasure, okay? If you guys are interested in learning more about Poshmark, I can show you how to get up and started and running. It's some things on here where I have to teach you how to join parties. I can teach you how to list and get sales and get likes. I can teach you how to make offers. I can teach you how to do bundles. It's a lot of things that I'm also learning that I would love to share with you guys. So if you're interested, I need this video, you guys. I need this video to at least get 100 likes on it. Okay? I'm teaching you how to make money. Okay? Y'all better fuck with the kid. Okay? I'm teaching you how to make some money from your house. Like I said, you can put in a lot of effort. Just with anything, you can put in a little bit of effort, a lot of effort, and that's what you'll get back, right? So you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll just keep going from there. So let me get a lot of likes on this video, get some views. I'll show you guys how to do all that in a separate video, and I can also share with you all other apps that I'm using to make money from my home. I hope this helped someone. Literally, I hope this helps someone, because it definitely helped me, and I want to grow my business. And who doesn't want to work from home? If you don't, something wrong with you. Who doesn't want to work from home? Okay, who doesn't want to invest in their dreams and literally do things that they love, especially if it's not difficult, right? The whole concept of, you know, if you do something if you do something you love, you'll never really work a day in your life, right? We talk about that. So that's the goal. That's the moves for the rest of our lives. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram. Please follow my store. I love you guys. Drop some comments below. Let me know if there's some Poshmark success stories. Let me know. What's that means it's time to go. Bye, y'all. Peace.